Hi, I'm Steve Wilburn, Service Director Chevrolet at Watsonville. I'd like to invite all you car fanatics out here to our custom car show. We do it every year in the month of July. This year it'll be July 7th. That'll be a Saturday. It's just a blast. We have about 120 classic cars. We clear the entire front lot off and load it up with custom cars. We've got music, fun, raffles all day long, a grand prize. We've got car awards for the best of show. We usually give out about 25 to 30 trophies for the best cars. It's all people's choice, so it's just a blast.
I get a good feeling, yeah.
For 2012, we've chosen the Santa Cruz County Animal Shelter as our local charity. So don't miss it. July 7th, we'll be here all day, custom cars all around. It's going to be a great show. Be here.
Why wouldn't you come out and support our local four-legged friends?